Hello, guys. So, what we're going to do today is we are going to learn how to do a smiling mouth. A little bit different than a regular mouth, but some similar stuff. So, we're going to start by doing the top line of the top lip, just like if you would do a regular mouth. So, you are going to just look at how it dips and bends just like before. The next thing you're going to do is the bottom line of your top lip. You want to look at the shape of the top lip to figure out how far away the line is, and it'll make things a little easier. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to do the top line of the bottom lip, and we're going to pretend like we do not see the teeth right now. The next thing we're going to do is the bottom line of the bottom lip. You want to obviously do the same thing, look at the shape of the lip as you put it in the line, but you also want to make sure you see where it tapers and where it actually ends in terms of tapering. So now you have everything you need. Let's talk about the teeth. The first thing you're going to do with the teeth is you're going to do the two front teeth, and we're only doing the gum line on the top. Okay. I like to start out and figure out where it hits in terms of the cupid's bow of the lip. And then I look at this triangular shape that I see. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the other side. And then you're going to count how many teeth you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're going to make 4 lines for 5 teeth. We're just roughly putting them in because it'll be easier to tell what you need to do as you start to finish off doing your drawing. So we're going to continue doing the top of the gum line. And now I can shape this part in because I know I don't have to do anything with it. The next thing I'm going to do is the other side. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 teeth. So I need 3 lines for 4 teeth. And do the same thing that you did on the right. Now you're going to shade in the gum and the black area here as well. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to do the bottom gum or space that we see. What I do is I like to see where it connects with the top, and then I do the shape. This one is higher than that one. And there you have a basic set of teeth. Now, for the lines between the teeth, these lines are very obvious. Most times you can leave your drawing like this for the most part, and you can get away with it. You want to be careful when you put the lines in the teeth. You want to make them very light, because over here, if you draw chiclet teeth, like fifth grade teeth, that line is very harsh, and you don't want that. To make it more realistic, you just want to like barely put it in there. And then maybe adjust whatever you need to adjust. You can also add some shading, like if you see down here, it's a little bit, gray. It'll help add to the realism. If you notice the white shine, that's the only spot that technically should be white on the page. Everything else should like barely have some shading, but you don't need to get that crazy about stuff. Especially if you're like me and don't have 6H. 6H would be ideal in this situation. So the last thing you need to do is you need to shade your lips, just like you did before. So I'm going to start with the bottom. You have to bend the lines. So if you notice, I have these pre-drawn lines bent. So yeah, that's how you want to start, is bending the lines as you shade. It's a little hard to see in this, but it does help if you can try to figure it out. The top lip is a little flat, so you don't have to really worry about the bending too much in this instance when you shade lips. And voila, you can now draw a smile.